Finally, our dining room chairs are getting a makeover. Follow Claire and I as we turn our hand to upholstery. We might as well. We've just about done everything else. But yeah, have a look at what we're putting up with for the last 15 months. A little bit of foam, a little bit of chipboard, and no base.
Okay, Phil, so tomorrow, after I've taken all this apart and seen how much fabric we need, off to Arezzo, so that we've got some nice chairs to finally sit on. What do you think?
Oh, they're disgusting. They're good because they were here and we didn't have to buy them, but
that's right.
All the arse had fallen out. They've been redone, haven't they?
Oh God, yeah. Oh, and they've still got none as plastic.
Of course they have. And we're actually not sure how to get this back
If anyone's got
off.
any suggestions.
There's a hole there, but because of the seat, we can't get to it. So once we get all this stripped, then we'll try. That's what stinks.
Oh, just a second.
How many farts do you reckon have gone through this?
Honestly.
Oh, gross. This way.
Goodness me.
Goodness me, what?
How many farts?
I don't know, hon. I do not know. Oh, here we go. Hang on. Lever it down to me.
Just pull. Go. Keep pulling. Good pull. Ah, well done. So let's have a look. What is it?
Nothing. Just
No,
a hole.
Just a... Hello, hole.
Hang on. So now we've got another 5 to do.
5. Yep. And they need to be cleaned and they need to be painted.
Can't we just throw them out?
No. No, because it costs more money to buy them.
Yeah, no. We haven't got the money. All right.
That's right.
They're in good nick. They really are.
And once they're painted and they're not brown,
So what colour?
don't ask me that question.
I've asked you 1,000 times and 1,000 times I keep hearing different things.
No, 1,000 times you get the same answer. One sec. Sorry for
Which
putting my
is?
face in the
Which is?
camera. Annie Sloan.
Yeah.
Good old Annie.
Yeah, keep doing ads for her. We getting anything for free from Annie or not?
No.
Well, you better be
Country grey.
I'll ring up Annie.
Country
Say,
grey.
Annie, country grey. All right, beautiful. All right, we'll go get the other 5 and what are we going to sit on?
So it's taken us 3 goes to work out how to take the back off easily. There's a hole. We've got a stick.
Tapping.
It pulls forward. Comes out this way.
Yeah, I know. Just got to do a little bit more.
Thought you were pushing down, that was all. And then you wiggle it like a tooth. There we go.
Voila.
Voila.
And this is our last one to strip.
Last one.
Thanks for the chocolate.
Couple of wormy holes. Get in there. Kill the suckers.
Yeah, we've found it everywhere throughout this house, haven't we?
Yep.
Furniture, beams. Oh, look at this big sucker here. Big wormhole.
Oh, get in there. Oh.
Look, I reckon they're dead. There's no dust. That's not dust.
No. No, I reckon
wood
they're
dust
dead.
anyway.
Well, I can't even say it.
Whatever. Show me. So yeah, this chair's almost done. And these are the others. Being repaired. And waiting for a paint job.
I'm in heaven, everyone. We found this fabulous shop in Arezzo, where we bought that from. And
They're on the Poltroni.
that's right. And I'm now here to do the dining room chairs and a curtain in the over the stairwell. So we've got all these velvets here that are offcuts.
So what do you got to here?
So
Trying to match.
I really had in my head a really dark olive green. That would fit the bill. This, which is going back with that flower. And then we've got this, which is also going back with that flower. Okay, I've made my decision.
Right.
2 of those. And you want to also get some passamento, some tassels and
Yeah,
things.
tassels and stuff. We're going to
Picking up the colours that are on the walls as well.
lost it. Ryan's lost his glove. And I've lost mine. So we've only got one each. So one glove.
Can't take men anywhere.
Hey.
Hey!
Stop. How good are we?
Where's your fingerless glove? Gloveless hand. Where's your other one?
We're hopeless, aren't we?
Painting in the dining room. It's too cold downstairs. We've had a real cold snap come through today. So I want to get these done because at the moment we have nowhere to sit to eat for our dinner. So necessity. Move up to the dining room, paint on the dining room table, and at least then I can also watch telly. Win-win.
Wow, this is taking painting to the next level, hon.
I know.
Why are you on the
I
table?
don't know. It just seemed the easiest thing to do.
What about putting the chair on the ground?
No, that's
No? That was... Didn't think about it?
No, I did. It was just easier to get my little step ladder.
Oh, you're cute. Love your work. All the soldiers lined up. Some are still drying. All the rest are ready to be upholstered. Great job, honey.
Hi and welcome to our dining room chair upholstery. Now we're not going to show you what happened with our first attempt. So this is chair number 2. No, sorry, this will be chair number 1. And we're using some real primitive methods of tightening our, what's it called? Webbing. This is not a how-to, this is just, hopefully you can have a good laugh with us.
It's how not to.
Yeah, it's not a how-to, it's just have a good laugh with us. Let's see how we go.
We're being polite to each other because you're watching.
Yes. You're listening.
Get your primitive stick. Let me put my foot on it so it doesn't
Now there are,
whack you in the head.
now there are
Tools for this.
tools for this, but we haven't got any. Why would we? You've got to measure how strong it is.
Oh, a little bit more, a little bit tighter.
Doing.
Doing.
It's pretty good.
And I'm just going to say,
So there's my tensioning stick.
that's probably my best staple job yet.
Yeah, because you're being watched. Okay, good. All right, tension. Can you see my face? I think I've just pooed my pants. Quick, turn it off. Turn the video off. All right, come and sit on it. It's all right.
Ah, beautiful.
It's good.
We're buying foam to be able to finish reupholstering the chairs.
But we bought foam.
I need more.
What type of them?
Just more. Thinner.
All right, let's have a look.
That's all. Five centimetre,
We've got 5 centimetre foam.
which means
I think you need another layer that's
we
not...
need one more layer. As I said, I'm happy to get an offcut, and we just cut it up ourselves.
That piece. So you want to get some scraps.
I'm going to get some scraps.
Yeah, old mate, Wilson.
Nothing goes to waste in this house. I'm pulling apart the temporary cushions Phil bought from down at the market one weekend, so we could sit on our chairs for the last 12 months. These are going to form one layer of our new foam, new seat. Then we've got this foam, which we need to trim to the sides, corners out. We've got some other foam as well to go over the top, and then the grey matting. We went down and saw Sylvia at the mattress shop today, and we were able to cut that, and we paid her for that, but she let us go through all the offcuts of the foam. I had so much fun.
As you saw.
Going through the offcuts. And her and her husband were very shocked we brought it home on the back of the motorcycle. They think we're crazy down there. Done. So just need to pull apart the rest of these, and then we'll be able to start upholstering. Last chair. Yay. So we ended up getting elastic webbing for the last couple of chairs because we ran out, and it's been easier, hasn't it, Philly?
Yeah, the old school webbing did the job, but I think this is much easier to work with anyway.
Yeah, that's right.
And get that stretch. So there you go. Look, as far as firmness goes, that's rock hard. Been playing music on them, so they're nice and tight, really are.
Before I get any, Claire, you did the wrong thing with your webbing comments. No, everyone, stop. Don't worry about the comments. I was replicating in these chairs what was already in the chairs, which was jute webbing with no springs. And after many hours of going through YouTube to get the best technique for covering our chairs and laying in the foam dome, I found out that if you're not using springs, you have to use elastic webbing, which I've got. You can see some elastic webbing on this seat, together with some jute. So what I'm going to do is, to the last two chairs, I'm going to remove the jute webbing on a couple of the backs and fronts, side to sides, and replace it with some elastic. So live and learn, everyone. Pull the rest of the sides down evenly, I'll have a nice soft dome in the middle. So then all we need to do is the backs.
Remember how hard this was to take out? Now it's just as hard to put back in again. Pain in the bum.
Yeah.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Have a look at that. It's gorgeous. Great job, babe.
Looks spectacular.
Well, you've finally done it, babe. You've finished
We have finished them.
all the chairs.
Oh,
They look
they look pretty good.
magnificent. So, how's the experience been?
Look, it's been okay. I've learned a lot. Always get more fabric than you think you're going to need because they always run out. But no, it's good.
Well, these were difficult. These were really, really difficult to do. So
They
very
look
proud
simple.
of you. You've
They look simple, but yes, they were difficult. Would
there's
have
nothing.
been easier.
Just jump off and just spin one around. Yeah. Beautiful. So from what they used to look like, they've come up.
They're beautiful. They're a lot
Absolutely beautiful and comfortable now.
nicer. Yes, you can sit on them. They're
No bits of timber. No, very proud of you, babe, with your perseverance. I wouldn't have given up, but yeah, I would have flipped a few out the window, I think, because they weren't that easy to do. But anyway, we'll put them around the table, and then we'll probably end up sanding back the table, won't we?
Yeah,